Welcome back to Designer Decorative Walls with Toby Renee. In this video, I'm going to show you how to paint a custom designer accent wall without even knowing how to draw. Now, the cool part about this project was that I got to create a one-of-a-kind accent wall for my client. All right, so let's get into it. Now, I used the Greek key as inspiration for my Versace designer-inspired wall. Now, because this wall is so large, I decided to go with a custom vinyl stencil. As you can see, the stencil comes in several sections. Always find the center point of your wall and install your stencil from the center out. Now, notice the piece of tape that I used to divide the top and the bottom of the wall evenly. This tape kind of acts as a guide to keep my stencil level. Okay, so each section of your stencil has 3 layers. So you just pull off the blue backing on each section and stick it to the wall. Now, all of your sections are going to fit nicely together, just like a puzzle. Now, once you get the entire stencil installed, it's time to start pulling the second layer. Pull the top layer of your stencil very slowly. Now, this is the exciting part. You can actually see your designer stencil. Can you imagine trying to draw this design and then tape it off by hand? I think not. I love designing custom sticky stencils. The ideas are limitless, and as a decorative artist, it really sets your work apart. Okay, but let's get back to painting this wall. So at this point of the project, we are using old hotel keys to burnish our stencil. That just means we're sealing the sticker down onto the wall. Now it's time to start painting our accent wall. So here you can see that I'm using 2 colors. I'm using gold and silver metallic paint. I'll leave the actual color formulas in my caption. Now here's the tip. Go easy on your metallic paint. It doesn't take a lot to cover your design. And if you've burnished your stencil properly, you don't have to worry about paint bleeding under the stencil. Okay, so go ahead and just continue to paint over your stencil till you're completely done with the wall. Isn't this beautiful? But wait, I'm not done yet. As a decorative painter, you know I have to take it to the next level. So I decided to do one more coat of metallic paint. I think I used silver at this point. I just wanted to soften the design just a little. This final layer of blending was just what I was looking for. And we're done. Now it's time to start pulling your stencil. This wall turned out so amazing, and we did it in less than 1 day. Thanks for tuning in, and please follow me for more decorative painting and design videos.